Thank you for looking at our video. This video is about how we generate electricity and how we can do it much better. In a moment I will show you a comparison between a conventional generator and what we call the ZAG generator. That stands for Zero Air Gap. Students of electrical science may be sceptical and argue that generators are already at least 90% efficient. This is actually only true in relation to their own design. And we need to accept that we don't have a complete understanding of electromagnetic induction theory. However, our technology is an improvement on what already exists, and it allows us to convert much more energy than what would have been believed possible previously. So all we ask is that you keep an open mind if you think these claims are impossible, and remember that in the past we believed things like cigarettes could give you courage, or that the world was at the centre of the universe, or even that the planet was flat and you would fall off the edge if you went too far. People changed their minds about these things when presented with evidence to the contrary, and that's what we're hoping to do here as well in relation to the generation of electricity. Okay, so let's look at the evidence. So what are you looking at here? Well, on the left is a conventional generator, and that is what's used in every power station, every wind turbine, every dynamo. It's used everywhere. And on the right is our ZAG generator. There are two important things to note here. The first is the input energy to each is exactly the same. And the second is that the output energy is hugely different. In the case of the ZAG generator, it's actually outputting 250% more energy than the conventional generator. And it should be noted that the design in this case is actually slightly favouring the conventional generator, otherwise we'd expect to be closer to 300%. If you have a look at the light bulb in each case and compare them, it gives you a good visual representation of the difference in output from each generator. You'll notice that the ZAG generator is much brighter. And if you look at the oscilloscope readings in the background, with the ZAG waveform, with respect to the energy that is produced, this waveform has never been produced before continuously like this in electrical science. So it is something innovative and new. It is important to note also that the way induction occurs in the ZAG generators is very different from the way it happens with a conventional generator. It does not generate electricity in the same way. You've never actually seen a generator like this before because the energy caused in the ZAG bulb to light up has never been used before. And just in case you're thinking both generators are identical, well, they appear to be superficially, and that's because we use the same housing for both. However, the internal working components of them are very different, and they visually are similar, but internally they are not. If you want to know more about the generator, well, the email address will appear at the end of the clip, and we'd be delighted to hear from you. So send us an email, and we'll try to get back to you as quickly as we can. Thanks for taking the time to watch.